Oh my God, Cadmill won the AA Fabulous Award. They gave their speech separately.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Nagpati ng ilaw-iba. Black Ocean.
Ano? Ayun, syempre maraming salamat. Thank you sa AAA and everyone, maraming salamat sa inyo. Enjoy the night and good night.
Nagpatay ng ilaw yung iba.
Finally, we invite Catherine Bernardo to deliver. Hello guys! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. I hope you're all having a great time. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Catherine Bernardo and I am a Filipina actress. Wow! What an honor to be recognized tonight with these beautiful and talented people. Thank you so much, AAA, for this fabulous award. This is my first time attending this. Nakaka-proud na bilang Pilipino, tayo yung nag-host sa ganitong event, diba? Also, I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody for supporting Filipino-made TV series and as well as the movies. Patapos na yung taon, but I feel so blessed and I'm sharing this award with all of you. Maraming salamat.